That bus is stuck. And so is that bus. Not bad. Yeah, it's green light. Let's see if we can go. Oh, come on. As you can see, my tires are not the greatest. Sliding, sliding. Oh boy. Oh boy. Whew. Oh boy. Oh, let's see. Oh god. I really am trying my best to go straight. To no avail. And the red light's broken. Of course. Not a snowstorm in Vancouver without the power going out. Don't stop, don't stop. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Come on. Oh, there are the cops. Try to stop, try to stop, try to stop. Oh, we did it. I don't want to hide the camera from the cops now. Alright, let's see if we can go. Did you guys hear that? Cannot get any traction. Just gonna reward myself with McDonald's after that drive.
6 feet under, she gon' get that fucking paper. 6 feet under, she gon' get that fucking paper. 6 feet under, she gon' get that fucking paper.